Why you need a factory audit? When you find a new supplier, which you are very interested, but never ordered and cooperated with them before, and you doubt if this supplier is legal or fraud, manufacturer or trading company. Now, the most safety way and necessary way for you before you order and pay the deposit with this new supplier is take a factory audit. Factory audit is named as supplier verification also. Audit will visit your factory on site to check the documentary, buildings, office, workshop, production line, workers, staffs, the production ability, quality control system, samples quality, leading time. If factory are capable to produce your order in a product, their official bank account, related certificates with pictures and videos. The audit report will show the factory very detailed from those contents to you in 1 to 2 audit job. It works like you visited this factory by yourself. With this factory audit service, it helps you to make the decision if you can cooperate with this factory or not, and not put yourself on the risk of cheated, lost money, or ordered with an incapable factory. So, this is the factory audit services.